Are you wearing eyeglasses out of fear? The misguided comfort of eyeglasses ruining your natural sight. Choosing to wear spectacles is a significant decision for many, but it's not an actual necessity, impacting daily life and how one interacts with the world. However, not everyone wears eyeglasses for the right reason. In some cases, fear and misconceptions play a big role in this choice. Let's delve into some of the most common but misguided reasons behind using eyeglasses and how to approach natural vision care more positively. Misguided reason 1. Following advice without question sometimes. The decision to wear glasses comes from a genuine need from external suggestion. This could be a well-meaning but misinformed comment or an eyewear salesperson persuasive pitch. It's vital to question and research rather than accept this suggestion at face value. After all, wearing eyeglasses when they are not necessary can lead to dependence and vision deterioration in the long run. Spectacles block all eye focusing function, leading to atrophy and not addressing the underlying issues with your vision. Misguided reason 2. The fear of going without. Many adopt glasses out of fear not seeing clearly in some situations and the potential consequences. This fear can become self-fulfilling, where the reliance on glasses grow even they might not be necessary or could worsen eyesight over time. It's crucial to assess whether glasses are truly improving your vision or if they become a psychological crutch based on what-if scenarios. Misguided reason 3. Eyeglasses as a shield for someone. Eyeglasses serve a purpose beyond vision correction. They become a barrier between themselves and the world. This psychomatic use of eyeglasses can be a way to hide, creating a sense of safety but also potentially masking deeper psychological issues. Recognizing if your glasses are serving as protective layer can be the first step towards addressing these underlying concerns, leading to healthier relationships with your vision and self-perception. Try to enhance your eye health with the Eyesight Academy today. Our comprehensive course is designed to empower you with the knowledge, techniques, and practical eye exercises to see better. Moving forward, a healthy approach to vision care, understanding the real reason behind your choice to wear glasses is essential. If fear or misconception are driving your decision, it might be time to re-evaluate it. Exploring natural vision improvement techniques and addressing any psychological factors can lead to better eye health and overall well-being. Remember that the more you know about natural vision improvement, better your eyesight will be. Understanding your motivation can lead to a clearer vision. Stay tuned for more insight and tips on nurturing your eyesight and making informed choices about eyewear. Subscribe to my channel for ongoing support and guidance in your journey towards optimal eye health.